Making pasta at home is a fun and rewarding process that can be done with just a few ingredients. Here is a simple recipe for making homemade pasta. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Instructions: 1. On a clean work surface, pour the flour and salt and make a well in the center. 2. Crack the eggs into the well and beat them lightly with a fork. 3. Use the fork to gradually incorporate the flour into the eggs until a shaggy dough forms. 4. Use your hands to knead the dough for about 10 minutes, until it becomes smooth and elastic. 5. Cover the dough with a damp towel and let it rest for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. 6. After the dough has rested, divide it into 4 pieces. 7. Take one piece of dough and flatten it into a disc with your hands. 8. Roll the disc out on a floured surface with a rolling pin, turning it frequently and adding more flour as needed, until it is very thin. 9. Use a sharp knife or pasta cutter to cut the pasta into your desired shape, such as fettuccine, spaghetti, or lasagna sheets. 10. Shake off any excess flour and let the pasta dry for a few minutes before cooking. 11. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook the pasta for 2 to 3 minutes or until al dente. 12. Drain the pasta and serve it with your favorite sauce and toppings. Enjoy your homemade pasta.